All right, we back, and today we get ready to make this pork shoulder picnic. We're gonna do it in the oven. It's gonna be like a beef stew, but it's gonna be pork stew. See, we got that beef flavor right there, but that's necessary. Whether you're doing pork or beef, you're gonna always put one of them in there. This is simple and easy. Sort of a lot of prep, but once you go in the oven, you're done. You can sit down and chill. So first thing, I got my biggest roaster. I'm gonna cut up and wash all my veggies and get them in here, season them with some water and chicken bouillon. And then I'm gonna trim my roast and I'm gonna put that on top of it. I'm gonna season that too. So let me get going with cutting this stuff up and holler at you in a minute. Yeah, I was tripping not having my potatoes laid out. So I'm about to go ahead and peel my potatoes and get them chopped up as well. Now I'm about to take my pork roast and I'm gonna trim off as much of this fat as I can. All right, so you can see how I got that roast all chopped up now. It was a lot of fat, but I got it all off. Now I'm ready to season this and get it in the oven. So I went in with my spray butter and now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with my pork gravy. One packet of my pork gravy. And then I got that beef stew seasoning. It's amazing, even though this is pork, I'm still going in with this beef stew seasoning because it is amazing. It's gonna give me that flavor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check my roast now and I'm gonna look at the moisture of it. That's all I wanna see is do I got the amount of juice that I want in there. If not, Then I'm gonna add some water. But I don't ever have to worry about losing no flavor because those seasoning packets, the gravy packet and everything, it's gonna hold strong. So I can add water if I need to, and I won't lose any flavor, so it's all good. Pull it out. And pull this foil off. Just on one side, I'm gonna pop it up. Hold on. Turn it around. Pop this foil up. Don't do this the way I'm doing it. As you see, I'm barehanded. This thing is hot. Let's see. My spoon. I got a lot of juice in here. So I'm happy with the amount of juice I got in here. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tighten these corners back up and put it back in here. I just wanna make sure my meat is nice and tender. And we not starving right now. I'm about an hour and 45 minutes in, but we not starving right now. We can let it rock a little bit longer and make sure that meat is really nice and tender. And then I'm gonna pop it out. I'm gonna put it in bowls so we can get that juice out and have our stew. We've been in here for 2.5 hours. I'm taking it out. I'm gonna make some bowls for me and my wife, and we about to slam. We ain't playing no more. We ready to eat. So that's your end result. That's what you're gonna get right there. Is them savory bowls of that pork roast. It's gonna go down. You're gonna eat it all, and you're gonna drink that juice too. It's gonna go down like that. Thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody, all my new subscribers. I appreciate all y'all. Thank you so much. Peace.